Hi, so if you're a college student, school student, or just going to enter college, so this video is for you because in this video, I'm going to share a few skills that you must learn before entering your adult era. This video is going to be totally unfiltered because I have myself seen a lot of videos like this on YouTube, and I'm myself 18 right now. Yes, I'm just 18, and I've learned a lot of things. Like, I've watched influencers talking about coding, AI, and the skills like this, but the thing is, not everyone get the opportunities to learn these type of skills. So I am going to tell you the common skills that everyone can learn. Also, I'm going to give you some tips that how you can actually learn these skills. So let's start with the first one, which is communication. Yes, communication is really important, like at every phase of life. While I'm talking about communication, that doesn't mean that you'll just start speaking English and you'll just start using full paragraphs in English. No, no, no. Because I can understand that not everyone get the person to communicate. Even me myself doesn't have anyone with whom I can start communicating. But the thing is that I'm trying my best, level best. Recently, I've started watching celebrity interviews, and one thing I realized that. Even celebrities doesn't know English completely. Yeah, it's true. They are doing a lot of mistakes while giving interviews, even while being celebrity themselves. Okay, now let me give you a few suggestions. How can you improve English? So actually, as a beginner, you can start with songs. Yeah, English songs. You can just listen to English songs, and it is a very easy method. Yeah, you can also watch English videos, like basic English, maybe animations or stories. Yeah, that's so cool, and even that won't be boring while you're reading book. That can be boring, so it doesn't work. That's why I'm giving you the suggestion to do these things. These are actually easier, and you will definitely get something. Second thing is management. You must not escape out of the basic things that you are supposed to do. Now let me give you a few examples. Let's suppose you are a college student and you're a day scholar, so you must know how to manage traveling alone and doing all the stuff. If you're a hostler, learn to manage things in your hostel. Yeah, so these two things are like kind of different. Other than that, we are having assignments, lectures, projects, and tests. You can say exams. So you must manage all the things within the timeline. Like, if I talk about myself, I'm having assignments, tests, lecture, exams, and all this, and even I'm having video work too. And don't think कि मेरे पास वीडियो का काम नहीं है, बहुत सारे वीडियोस मेरे को देने होते हैं. As a UGC creator, I have to shoot product reels on time. As a college student, if you're not even able to manage the basic stuff like assignments, exams, lectures, and tests, if you're not even able to manage this, then it won't be possible to enter adult era smoothly. The next thing is dressing sense. Dressing sense is very, very important. You might not be giving importance to this thing, but this is really important, especially as a teenager. I think confidence matters a lot, and teenagers usually get confidence from their dressing sense. Yeah, you must have that confidence to stand in front of a lot of people and speak confidently. You have the right to disagree to people, you have the right to say no, and I think your point of view also matters. You might find me in a proper formal look, yeah, and in one photo you might find me in a proper traditional look. Yes, so this is how looks change the game. In a few years it might doesn't matter, but right now, before entering the adult era, it is really important to, if you want part 2, so comment कर दो and like कर देना वीडियो को. अभी के लिए एंड करते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.